Are you torturing the puppies? Nope. Hey, where'd you get that? Did you find the candy drawer? Hey, what are you doing? What'd you find? Are you torturing her? Uh-oh, you dropped it. Can you get it? Can you put it back? Hey, can you put it in the drawer? Haley. Crazy hair. Can you put it back? Good girl. Can you shut the drawer? Hey. Haley, can you put it back? Good girl. Shut the drawer. Yep. Watch your fingers. Boom. Good girl. Hey. Keep it shut. Can you shut it? Nope. Put it back. Oh. Good girl. And shut it. Okay, come here. Let's go play. Come on. Come on. Hey, no, no, no. Haley. No. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Come here. Haley. Hey, Haley. Come here. Haley Bean. No. No, no, no. Nope. No, no, no. No, no. Come on. Good girl. Come here. Give it. Let's see you with the puppies. Come here. Hey, hey. Haley, come here. Look what I got. I got your shoes. Can you put your shoes on? Want to put your shoes on? Sit down. Whoa. Are you done?